Morning guys, this is Gary from G&G Electronics. Today what I got is I had a subscriber wanted to know how to delete a wireless contact and then enroll a new wireless contact on the same zone. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that. He's got a contact here and I believe, yeah, it's if I hit the star, I believe it's 6, yep, zone 6. So he tried to close the zone, open the zone, close the zone, he's checked the battery, he's checked the tamper, and everything he does, it just will not work. So there's something wrong with this contact. So now I'm going to show you how to delete this contact, this wireless contact, and then re-enroll it on the same zone. Alright? So the first thing we got to do is go into Program, and we're going to be deleting zone 6, because this is zone 6 right here. Let me show you that it will set up. Alright, we have no star. So it says system OK, but as soon as I open it, zone 6. So this is zone 6. Let's go into Program. 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. You're in System Program, so hit the pound sign. Scroll up till it says Sensors. Hit the pound sign. Scroll until it says delete, hit the pound sign, and then you scroll either up or down to get to the sensor number that you want to delete. This is the only sensor in the whole panel right now, so that's why it lands right on 6. Anyways, once you get to this window here where it says delete and then your sensor number, the one you're going to get rid of, hit the pound sign. It says done. This contact is now out of the system. Alright, so now my subscriber, he got a new contact. You take it out of the box and the battery's already in this one. Make sure the battery is in this. Alright, let me just show you that the battery's, it's already in and ready to go. Then you close it back up. Now you hit the star key. Now you hit the scroll key up until it says learn sensors. Hit the pound sign. Sensor partition is partition 1. The group, we'll make this a delay. Hit the pound sign. Then here it says trip sensor 1. Alright? You don't want to because remember he's replacing zone 6. So you go down key until you get to 6. Alright? Once you get to 6, come on there, stay up. Once you get to trip sensor 6, you take the new contact, you open the case. Hear that beep? That means it just programmed it. You close the case. That's it. You're done. You just now replaced the sensor in zone 6. So now you hit the star key. You keep on hitting the star key until it comes to System Program. Hit your button up once. This A key. Hit the pound sign. Alright, now it says sensor 6 is open because there's no magnet on it. So now let me grab my magnet right here. Put it next to the... Alright. Now let me turn on the chime just to show you. It's open. Close it. And that's it. That's how you replace a contact on a Concord 4 or a Concord Express. Thanks guys.